Good morning, all of you. So, in the last class, we have seen numerical differentiation. Under that, we have seen two methods. So, what are they? Euler's method. We have seen Euler's method. It is multi-step method. We have seen Picard's Taylor's methods, which are single-step methods. So, now under step-by-step methods, we have two more. They are modified Euler's method and RK method. So, modified Euler's method, let us do the problem. By doing the problem, let us see the formula. So, formula here for modified Euler's method is, so given dy by dx is equal to f of xy for the initial condition y of x naught is equal to y naught. So here by modified Euler's method, we have y n plus 1 of k plus 1th approximation is equal to yn plus h by 2 into f of xn comma yn plus f of xn plus 1 comma yn plus 1. So here k value, k is equal to, so we have to find here the values of first approximation, second approximation, all these things. So here if you take n is equal to 0, when n is equal to 0, n runs from 0, 1, 2, so on. K value, we perform it for iteration. So initially, in order to find y1, we take n as 0, so that y1, k plus 1th approximations we will be performing, y0, f of x0 comma y0. So here we have, this is also kth approximation. Here we have k plus 1, here also we have k. So k is here approximations, it indicates the approximations. So when n is equal to 0, if I want to find y1. So to find y1, what is the set of formulae here? We have y, n is, put n is equal to 0. To find y1, put n is equal to 0. If I put n is equal to 0, y1, so k plus 1th approximation. So that is approximations, we change k value, y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 first approximation or kth approximation. So I will tell you now what is k. So this is the basic formula. Now I will be changing k values. K is equal to 0. Put k is equal to 0. Now what is that we get? Y means first approximation of y1. First approximation of y1 is equal to y0 plus h by 2 into f of x0 y0 plus f of x1 y1 0th approximation, because we have taken k as 0. So here modified Euler's method is, we perform the iterations within the formula. This is the formula. In order to get y1, we have to put n is equal to 0, we get, now we perform iterations in this formula. Now what is 0th approximation of y1? 0th approximation of y1 is nothing but modified Euler's formula is h into f of x0 y0, because we are finding y1, it is x0 y0. When we find y2, it will be x1 y1. So this is the basic formula to find y1. So similarly, to find y2, In order to find y2, we will put n is equal to 1 here. N is equal to 1. If I put n is equal to 1, what is that I get here? Put n is equal to 1, give some number for this as 1. Put n is equal to 1 in 1. So, see, observe, y2. So, we don't change k anything here. When we start doing the problem, we change it. N is 1, y1 plus h by 2 into f of x1, y1 plus f of, when n is 1, x2, f of x2, y2, k only. Next step we will write. Now, you give some number for this equation as 2. Put k is equal to 0 in 2. So now let us give number something as 3 here. Now put k is equal to 0 in 2. Now we start performing the iterations. y2 first approximation of y2 is equal to y1 plus h by 2 into f of x1 y1 plus f of x2 y2 zeroth approximation. What is zeroth approximation of y2? y2 zeroth approximation is nothing but h into f of x1 y1. This is just by Euler's method. H into f of x1 y1. So similarly, if you want to find y3, means here, suppose you were given, now you see the problem, I will tell you. Using modified, they will mention the method, using modified Euler's method, find y of 0.4 given dy by dx is equal to 1 minus 2xy with the condition with y of 0 is equal to 0. So now here, how many values, whether we have to calculate y1, y2, y3, etc. depends upon the given values. So what is given here? So we need, look into the formula, we need f of xy. What is f of xy? Whatever dy by dx is given, that is f of xy. Given f of xy is equal to 1 minus 2xy. 1 minus 2xy. So now if you draw the number line here, so what is that given? The initial condition. Also given x0 is 0. I told you to write immediately this as x0, this as y0. x0 is 0, y0 is 0. So means we start with 0. Where, what is that I have to find? I have to find 0.4. So if, depending upon the marks you can take. If it is for 5 marks, you can take h is equal to 0.4. If it is for 7 or 8 marks, you have to take h as 0.2. Means you have to calculate y1 and y2. So this is x0, this is x1, this is x2. Correspondingly, we calculate y1, y2. We calculate y1, y2. So h is difference between 0.2 and 0. Here h is equal to 0.2. So I am giving you the solution for by taking h as 0.2. You can even take h as 0.4 also. So if it is not mentioned here, that's why I am taking h as 0.2. Means I have to find y1 and y2. I have to apply this set of formula y1 and y2 for this problem. So this is the data available for us. Now we shall apply the formula here. So y1, to find y1, what is that we have to do? We have to write all these formulae. We have to write all these formulae. So now we will substitute. Initially, what is that we have to find? 0th approximation of y1. 0th approximation of y1 is, we need first this one. Next we will perform the iterations. We will perform iterations. So we will write by modified Euler's method. We have all these formulae you have to write. Now we shall perform iterations. So if you, you just see the problem. We will do the solution. We will start performing iterations for y1.